So actually, I graduated back in 2011 in electrical engineering, and since then I have been working in embedded domain and especially in the embedded Linux side. So I have been using IR embedded workbench, Kyle, and Core Warrior tools for the embedded uh, and specifically bare metal code development, and I have been using Visual Studio Code for embedded Linux development, and I use like GCC and GDB tools for debugging on the embedded Linux side.
In that case, we can use static analysis, optimize data structures and algorithms, so take leverage of compiler optimizations, and we can also avoid using the dynamic memory allocation to prevent memory leaks.
Yes, to manage software versioning and updates in already deployed embedded systems, we use strategies such as version control and over-the-air updates. We also plan the releases carefully to ensure seamless updates and minimize disruptions.
Yeah, so basically, when it comes to power optimization, we have different ways to optimize power consumption. Like there is a feature like CPU frequency, through which we can adjust voltage and frequency of CPU clocks. That's one of the way. In Linux, like you can do this using different power governors available, and similarly there's a you can do clock gating to disable clocks to different peripherals, and also in the different devices or device controllers there's support for low power mode, so that can be achieved by adding code to the device drivers to utilize those features and disable the power on runtime for the devices which are not being used.
Okay, in the initial stages of development, we can use device simulators and unit tests, and on the later stages, we can use JTAGs, oscilloscope, logic analyzer, and stuff like that. Of course, then LEDs and serial monitors are all there.
I possess extensive skills in hardware designs, particularly for schematic designs and PCB layout. I am quite proficient in utilizing industry standard skills, industry standard tools such as LTM Designer for comprehensive schematics and designing PCBs for various components. Yes, I have set up a small lab in-house for troubleshooting hardware, and in which we have some necessary tools such as soldering stations, tweezers, digital multimeters, magnifying glass, logic analyzers, etc. I can have you look over that also. So here you can see I have set up a small lab for that, and you can see my tools. These are soldering stations and weight gun, tweezers, sucker, vice gripper.
So actually we have a lot of control systems in our project, and the way we test them is we try to test whether they are communicating with each other effectively. So in real life, these control systems are in prisons, they are in airports, they are in multiple stadiums in the United States. So they are controlling the loudspeakers, they could be controlling the shades on a window, they could be controlling a door. So the way we test the control systems is that we try to verify that the control system is controlling the actual device that it is supposed to control. It could be a real device that we have right now. We have audio amplifiers here, we have an Apple TV here, and we can verify that we are able to control them successfully. And if we don't have a real device, then we have some simulation. We can simulate the environment with the help of some desktop applications, and then we can verify that our control systems are controlling what they are supposed to.
Yes, sure. We have these different types of control system with us. This one, and we have this touch panel as well. And these are used to control different types of devices. That could be LAN devices, serial devices, IOs. So these are used in different countries of Europe and also in America. So like they can control different stuff in schools, colleges, airports, even it is used in prisons as well.
So if you are in need of scaling up your development center or looking for new competencies that you don't have on board already, I hope that you got an idea about what we do here in TEO. and you are always welcome to reach out either by phone or on mail, which is down here.